User profiles are used to keep track of each user's account in every system. To create a profile for a new user, go to the User Management Users page and click on Add a New User. A blank profile card will open. Start by selecting what type of user is being added and which business they will be working in. Then select the type of employment that applies to the user. Internal users may be regular employees or unionized workers, while external ones are usually contractors, suppliers, or other workers that are brought in from other companies. When adding an external user, select their primary employer from the list in the Home Organization field. Fill in the rest of the user's employment details, including the location and department where the user will be working. The employment date specifies when the user will start having access to their account, and as such, allows users to be added before their first day of work without compromising security. For external users, an account expiry date and comment for it can also be added so that the account will be disabled automatically when the user's work is done. To select the user's account manager, select the field, type in the first few characters of the manager's name, and then select them from the list. In most cases, the user's account manager should be the same as their department manager. If the person adding the user is not a user manager, superuser, or administrator, the account manager selected here will be notified that a request for the user has been made, which needs to be finalized. Once the user's employment details have been filled in, click Next to go to the Contact Information section, or click on the tab to switch to it. Here, select the title that corresponds to the user's position in the company. Then, type in the user's name and the ID that has been selected for them. Note that once the user has been added successfully, this ID cannot be changed through the interface, as it is used to keep track of the user. Type the user's company email address into the email field, following whatever conventions are used within the company. If the user has a secondary email address, something that is required if they are an external user, type it into the external mail field. The user's phone numbers can be added as well. If available, add the user's image by clicking the Change Photo link, choosing the image file and uploading it. Once uploaded, it will need to be cropped before saving it. Once everything has been filled in and checked, click Create Account. A summary page will open with all the new values. To decide who will be notified when the account is created, look in the Email Recipients section. A comment can also be added for log and approval purposes. Once everything looks good, click Confirm to finish adding the user.